Mr. Singleton, who was the victim in the case from Harris County?
I'm
What was your relationship to her?
didn't have a relationship. Me and her stepdad, we were kind of like friends.
So were you a family friend of hers?
No, not a friend of her. Just knew just like living in the same neighborhood and stuff, but I didn't know her.
Was it a similar situation as this case where you assaulted her in public?
Mm,
So this happened in a home?
yes.
What, you were in a position of trust?
Mm, you per se, yeah.
Okay. And how old was she?
15.
Okay. So she was the same age as the victim in this case.
Yes.
And you didn't know the victim in this case, did you?
No, I didn't even know her age until after I got arrested here.
Okay. Now, you knew you had committed this crime, right? When it happened, you knew it was a crime.
I didn't know that I had charged with this crime until 2009 when they questioned me about it. I didn't actually know that I was even charged with this until I got arrested.
So you thought you got away with it until you were arrested for it?
I just thought I got away with it. I just never thought it was nobody. I was never arrested for it, so I didn't know that.
Object to non-responsive. You knew it was a crime when you raped her in 2002.
I didn't. Well, if that's what you want to say, yes.
Okay. So did you go to the police in San Antonio and turn yourself in and say, I just raped a 15-year-old girl?
No, because their circumstances of what they're saying and what I need to be the truth never got put out there. I was never interrogated, not even here, not even in Houston. Barely, they just asked me a few questions about it. I was never interrogated. I was never able to tell my side of the story.
Okay, so now you're saying that you weren't actually, it wasn't an investigation and you knew that the charges weren't actually pending.
No, I didn't know that, it was an investigation or nothing. I didn't know nothing about this case until I got to Harris County. When I got arrested in 2009, I didn't know nothing about this case.
Okay. It wasn't until 2021 that San Antonio Police Department actually came and served you with a warrant to get a sample of your DNA, correct?
No, they did not get an initial warrant out to get a sample of my DNA. They already had my DNA in 2009 when they questioned me. They had already had my DNA.
Are you saying they didn't come and get another swab out of your mouth?
No. No, they did a yearly swab. As a yearly swab as I was registered.
Okay.
But then I already had my DNA in 2009 when they questioned me. But that's how I got alerted to the case in 2009 when they told me that I had a DNA match back then, 14 years
In 2009, did you try to find out the name of the victim from 2002?
They told me tonight.
Did you ever try to reach out and apologize to her?
No, I was being incarcerated at the time. I was on my way to
Did you make any attempts?
Not make any. I didn't know. I barely even knew. That was like, you talk about something that happened in 2002. This is 2009. I'm talking about it. It was 7 years before I wasn't even in San Antonio at the time.
Okay, but you got your GED while you were incarcerated, correct?
Yes.
So you had access to people who knew how to look into information. People from the outside world.